Welcome to Budgie Life Care. Today we are going to know the basic needs of a budgie. Let's start by sleeping. Here I have put an old towel and an apron when they are sleeping. Budgies need at least 10 hours of sleep. And to know when is your bird feeling sleepy, you can see the yellow bird is yawning and the black one is trying to sleep. These are signs of a sleepy budgie. Talking about food, their water container should be changed every 2 hours. If a budgie drinks dirty or not clean water, it may get sick. Food container should be changed every 2 days if the food is lowering. Budgies don't eat foods that are too deep for them to eat. If a budgie doesn't eat for 34 hours, it may get sick. Follow these steps to keep your budgie happy and healthy. Of course, budgies need a lot of playtime. If you have more than one budgie, you're good to go because they accompany each other. If you have one, try to add some toys to keep him busy. Budgies too need playtime outside the cage and inside it. We prefer you to have a tame budgie outside the cage. If you see your budgie bobbing its head up and down, don't worry because it's a sign of a happy budgie. Treats. Budgies do like treats like milk spray and mixed seeds. These should be available to your bird in their cage. You can find these treats in the local pet store near our local pet shop. Budgies too like chewing on wood. Never give any type of wood to your bird when you're not aware of because they may be toxic to your bird. Here I use mixed seed stick. When they eat them, they like to chew on the wood. First, your budgie will be scared by your hand, but as time flies, your budgie will be easy with your hand. Never try to tame your budgie when they are newly to your home. Fruits. Budgies eat many fruits like apple, banana, apricot, etc. All the fruits and veggies are linked in the description. Check it out. Here I gave my budgie an apple. Only 10 to 20% of your bird's diet should be on fresh veggies, and 5% of his diet should be on fruits. Here you can see the yellow bird is scared of my hand and won't eat it. But if you put the fruit or veggie near their food container, they may start to eat it. As older birds take time to get tame, younger birds take lesser time to get tame. Never force your bird to do anything that they don't want to. As talking of playtime, here I have put my budgie near a window so they can be entertained. You can even take the cage out to a garden or to a seaside. They chatter, play, and try to communicate with other birds. This will keep your budgie entertained and happy for a long time. But make sure there are no cats around that are dangerous to your birds. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And comment down your bird's name.